Here is how to create a TikTok account in about 2 minutes. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Then tap on sign up from the bottom of the screen. Once done, this will take you to a new page where you can go ahead and sign up for TikTok using your phone number, your email address, your Facebook account, or your Google account as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the Google account. Choose any Google account that you want to open or create a TikTok account from. Then you need to select your specific birthday. Then tap on continue, which is highlighted in pink color. And you'll be instantly logged in to the TikTok account. Now you need to go ahead and create a nickname for your account. You can also choose to skip this option and you'll be instantly logged into your TikTok account. Now go to your profile and from here tap on add bio in order to add a bio, or you can tap on this edit option, then change your photo, your name, username, and add a bio or go for other different options over here. And you can also start posting videos or just simply scroll down and like, comment, save the videos to your favorites, or repost or share it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.